Alright, so today we're going to make black out of the primary colors. So what you're going to need is blue, yellow, and red. These are just Liquitex Basics from Blix Art Materials. I'm pretty sure you can get it. It doesn't matter which brand or what size. You're just going to squeeze. Well, I mean, I'm only doing the small canvas, so I just need to squeeze a little tiny dab. I usually get water in a cup, but seeing as I'm just going to make a small amount, I put some water in this little well right here, if you can see that. I'm going to put a drop of each paint, and I'll mix the color for you guys here in the middle. Alright, here we have about a tidbit of each. You take your paintbrush. Doesn't really matter which one, I guess, unless you're trying to get a certain effect. But this is just to paint the background, the base of the canvas. You take a little water, and the water is for the texture, so it's a little more fluid. And it also does help keep your paint use to a minimum, a little more economical. So what you're going to do here is dab the water a little bit so it's not too saturated. Get a little red, get a little of blue, and get a little of yellow. You want just about the same quantities, so it looks like I got a little more yellow. So I'm going to dab it off, get a little bit, and just mix it all together. Maybe get some water once in a while if it's getting a little too thick, which it shouldn't. You don't need a whole lot of water either. I don't know if you could see, it's starting to get dark. Once you have the mixed in well, got all the paint off the brush, then you're going to see which color you might need more of. Let me get you closer. So it looks like we got a little bit of blue hue. So we're going to pick up a little more of the yellow. That looks good. And mix it in there. A little bit of the red. I think we're almost there. A little bit more red. About that much. And of course, if you're doing bigger quantities, you're going to want to do more paint, because it's not going to be fun to keep trying to mix it. But of course, I have this little tiny canvas, so it's not going to be a problem for me. Maybe a little more red. So basically, in the beginning, if you put equal amounts of everything, you should be good and ready to use it. Alright, let's take a look. I'm going to put a paper underneath just so that my desk doesn't get too dirty. Just going to slide it in. Alright, let's try it out on the paper first. Still looks a little bit green, so we could add a little more water, a little more red. And just play with it. Okay, that looks good. Alright, so you're just going to go in one direction and then the other direction. Yeah, actually, maybe I should have been making a little more, but it serves us well, so I can show us again one more time. So you're going to grab blue, you're going to get red, and I'll just pick up this yellow that was right here. As you can see, this one already looks like I did put enough red. Let's see, right here. Oh yeah, that one's better. So let's go ahead and paint it. I'm gonna cover the whole canvas and I'll be back with the finished product. Alright, here it is. Let it dry a little bit, add another layer. I'm not too worried about being it super covered because I'm about to do another video where I make gray, so look at the next video if you want to know how to make gray and different like hues of gray. I did forget to mention these are acrylics, so acrylics are usually pretty easy to use and they tend to dry fast if you're a little impatient. Oils, they take longer, sometimes up to, I've heard someone wait for up to like a week or so. Alright, see you in the next video.